Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to come on here and show you all how to access the assignments for today's Digital Learning Day. So students will go to the Paulding County website, paulding.k12.georgia.us. Students will go to the student dashboard and sign in. Their username is their lunch number, their student ID. And their password is their first, middle, and last initial plus the first 2 digits of their birth month and the 2 digits of their birth date. And if you ever need help with passwords and usernames, just let me know and I can always confirm those with you. But students will go to the student dashboard or they'll just simply click on Canvas. Student view. Okay. So when they get on Canvas, they will see 5th grade homeroom Stewart, and that's what they should click. And then they will see this. I'm going to go into student view because right now I'm in my teacher account. So they're focused today just on this box, Digital Learning Day 9/2/2022. The first assignment, they will click the notes. And there's notes here. These are also glued down in their math journals. They can use the standard algorithm to complete their multiplication problems, or they can use the area model, whatever they're more comfortable with. I even suggest having the students to solve the problem with one method and then check their answer using the other method for extra practice. There's also a video, so if you click that link, it'll take you to a video. It'll take you to a video about multiplication, and students who may be struggling or just need some extra tutorials can go on here and take notes as well. All right. There's nothing to submit here, so I'm just going to click next. And then the next assignment is the actual multiplication quiz. And when they get there, they will work out these 3 word problems, which are all multiplication. And for the first 2, it is multiple choice. And for the last one, it's a constructed response. It's very important that the students answer all parts of the questions with constructed response questions. So who was correct? Explain your reasoning. Those are the 2 parts that the students need to do. Answer that question and then explain how they got their answer. All right. And then, of course, they will submit that when they're finished. I'm going back to assignments now. The next thing students are doing is this turn of the century cattle trail activity. And it says go through this PowerPoint and complete the doodle notes. So students will download this PowerPoint right here, and it goes through the cattle trails, and the student should just read through the slides. It's just reiterating everything they've already learned in class. And when they're done, they will fill in these notes, which they should have learned through going through the PowerPoint. So they'll go through these notes here and fill in the blanks for those 2 pages. The way that they fill in the blank, they can't fill in the blank just by clicking and typing. I'm clicking and typing now. You can't fill in the blank through that. They have to click this T, free text annotation, and then they can click and start to type in their answers. They can move their answers around like that. They can click on it and delete their answers. But everything should be filled in through clicking on that text annotation and then clicking where they would like to type. Just like that. So, all right. And once they have filled in all the blanks, they can click on Submit Assignment. All right, so that is it. I hope that the students have a good time today learning and doing some work at home. I hope you all have a wonderful Labor Day holiday. Remember, Monday there's no school. So I will see everyone on next Tuesday. Please use some time over the weekend to have the students work on their 4-H projects. And if you need any more information on that, I'll be happy to resend copies of the instructions for that. Students just need to pick a topic that they research and include 3 different facts that they found on their project, which can be through poster board or PowerPoint. And then possibly list a couple of jobs that go with the topic that they researched. And that's it. Some pictures will be nice, but it's nothing too extensive. So if the students could start working on that over the weekend, that would be great, because it is due on Thursday, next Thursday, the 8th. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend.